Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and in this section, we'll be covering is Cosmos DB. But before we talk about Cosmos DB, it's important to understand the key types of NoSQL databases. First up, let's talk about key value stores. Key value stores are simple and fast, but they generally lack features like relationships, indexes, and aggregation. In a key value store, data is stored in pairs, where a unique key is stored alongside a corresponding value. A simple key value store will interpret this data resembling a dictionary, also known as associative arrays or hash. Although this kind of data storage can resemble tabular data, it doesn't require consistent columns per row, making it schema-less. Due to their simple design, they can scale well beyond a relational database. Next, let's explore what a document store is. A document store is a NoSQL database that stores documents as its primary data structure. These documents can be structured as XML, but are more commonly found in JSON or similar formats. Essentially, document stores are a subclass of key value stores, but have a more intricate structure, allowing for complex queries and operations. Here's a visual that displays the components of a document store compared to a relational database. Now, let's move on to understanding graph databases. A graph database is a database composed of a data structure that uses vertices, also known as nodes or dots, which form relationship to other vertices through edges, arcs, or lines. This type of database is particularly powerful for mapping relationships and identifying patterns. Use cases for graph database, fraud detection, real-time recommendation engines, master data management, network and operations, identity and access management, traceability and manufacturing, contact tracing, data lineage for GDPR, customer 360-degree analysis, product recommendations, social media graphing, and feature engineering. The nodes can contain data properties, while the edges can hold relational data, including directional information and other data properties. So that's an overview of three key types of NoSQL databases.